Hello everyone, Andy here. Hope you are well, hope you're having a good day. So today you join me with a review of a new drone backpack that I've got. There's not a lot of room up here, so what I was thinking is let's review this downstairs. Okay everyone, so this is a bit of a nicer space to work on, and actually I'll point the camera down when I do look at it, but so here it is. This is just basically how it came out of the bag. It arrived in this kind of plastic bag within an Amazon box. Okay, so before I actually do a proper sort of unzip and see how practical it is, the features of it, what I thought I'd do is let's just go through the features. Let me just zoom the camera out a little bit. So what I thought I would do is go through all the details and the specs that are on Amazon. So this is a Estarer bag, I hope I'm saying that right. I'll put a link to this in the description so you can actually have a proper look, and I'll probably pop some shots up on screen. So it's an Estarer drone backpack shoulder bag for the DJI Mavic 2, the Pro and Zoom, the Mavic, so the normal one, the Mavic Air, plus small camera rucksack bag for travel. It is $34.99, and these are the things that it points out, that the backpack shoulder bag for the products listed is lightweight and sturdy enough that you can practically sit on it without damaging your drone. Not sure I'm gonna test that, maybe I should. It is super comfortable and easily stores everything you need for a day of shooting. Your drone bag backpack is also perfect for, it states, a CSC Camera 2 lens kit. This drone backpack offers a unique carry system for the Mavic Pro fanatics from home to work or everywhere you travel. It also states that it is water-resistant nylon, it only weighs 1 kilo, it's self-healing zippers. Interior space is with flexi dividers for 1 drone, 4 batteries, that's a lot, controller and 1 battery charging hub. Inner mesh pockets for 3 to 4 quick release propellers, and zip pocket for most 9.7 and 10.5 inch iPads. Now that's quite interesting because with my PGY Tech, which I absolutely love that backpack, that was one issue, that if you have a large iPad, I tested in that video, and if you want to watch that video of that backpack, I'll pop up a link, I can't remember which side, but one of these top 2 sides, you can click on there and see the review of that one. But with that one, you couldn't actually fit a large iPad in, just a small one. And then it goes on to say various things about how you can customize it how you wish. It has quick release zips to gain access very quickly, which I think is this section at the top, so that'd be interesting to see. That's quite cool. It has various mesh pockets, how it's tough, lightweight and water resistant, etc, etc. You can always go on the link and check all that out yourselves. So what we'll do now is we'll point the camera down at a better angle so you can see me sort of unzipping and trying this and putting various things in it. And having a closer look at the details. So without further ado, let's get on with it. Okay, so at the moment on the back, what we've got, this is already sort of tucked in. So it looks like you've got to attach these two onto here, I'm guessing. Quite like how the metal on these are like a dark metal. Don't know if you can see that very well. It's sort of nice and like a black. Put that on. So that's the backpacks, and quite interestingly, see if this picks it up, but just here on the back there is like a sort of a strap, quite a firm strap, and a bit like what you get on a car seat belt. And I think the idea is it's showing that if you've got a small suitcase, that this can slide into there, so when you're sort of carrying your suitcase on holiday, you don't have to have this on your backpack. I'll try and put a picture up to show you what that looks like. So there's a pocket here in the back. Again, all the zips are this kind of really nice sort of black chrome, sort of dark black chrome, which is really, really nice. Very plush sort of cushioning here with this mesh, which I'm going to guess is sort of breathable, which means you're not going to sweat as much. Again, if I'll see if I can get that close on the camera. It's really, really plush. I don't know if that comes across, but it is very, very nice and soft. This feels like very, very nice, breathable material. Okay, going around to the front. I know it looks a little bit crinkled, but you've got to remember there's nothing in here at the moment. So we've got a zip at the side, which, yeah, it's just a little pocket. I guess you could put all sorts of little spare batteries, maybe, not batteries, sorry, spare memory cards. Whoa, more storage. There is a hell of a lot of storage in this thing. So we've got another little pocket on the inside of that, plus more mesh, more pockets, and I'm not too sure what this is, but I'm gonna guess maybe the idea of having this kind of little clip is so that you don't lose something. So I guess if you've got something in here, then you can attach it to this, so in case you're trying to get it out and it falls. So that's quite a nice little practical touch. I haven't seen that before. And I'm gonna guess we've got something similar on this side. Now we've got a nice stretchy, it's got like a felt lining to it, and also it's very, very stretchy. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but it's really, really nice. Another zip, fully opens, and different type of storage on this side. So we've got two little mesh pockets, and then we've got a larger one here, but it's with a zip. So that makes it very, very safe and secure. It all feels really, really nice and well put together. The zips work really, really nice and smooth as well. Very, very smooth, no snagging. And the handle at the top, again, that is really, really nice. Very plush, nice nylon material. And I feel like you can sort of tell this is waterproof and very, very durable. Like I feel, you know, it's very, very, very strong, really durable and tough. And, you know, you're going to be able to chuck this around and, you know, it's going to keep everything well protected in the inside. So let's get on with, now I know this is the little top zip it mentioned, so if you unzip that, looks like you're going to be able to gain access, quicker access to things on the inside, but let's try that once I've actually put stuff inside it. So let's fully zip that up, and we are greeted with, looks like all sorts of little dividers. That is going to be your shoulder strap. So if you want to not sort of hold this on by hand, but you want to carry this on your shoulder, not your backpack, I'm going to guess that's it. Let's just put that to the side. So I'll start off with this side first. Again, more mesh. Now I quite like how there's a different look on the inside to the outside. So, you know, it's very sort of dark black, very dark greys, whereas on the inside it's a little bit lighter. Just a nice little touch. And the zips again, it feels like I've got an obsession with zips here, doesn't it? But I haven't. But I like how these are sort of a different finishing material. Now these have got like a sort of very dry, tactile, matte finish. Again, seems very nice. It does say that the, you know, that they don't kind of snag in the description, and I can believe that. That is a huge, huge pocket. Everything feels waterproof to the touch. Now I'm going to guess this is where you could put your tablet. I feel like this would be a good time to actually test an iPad in here. So we've got, this is actually our 10.5 inch iPad Pro. So you know, this is pretty big, and it actually does look like it's going to fit in here. Let's make sure it's fully, oh, maybe not. Although it does look like it would fit. But I guess you could just place it on the top. So it's not going to fit, actually, you know, look, if you wanted to, you could have it like that. But I think as you can clearly see, you know, if you had the smaller one, that would have fitted in there. Well, getting on to the other side, we've got all sorts of dividers. So it looks like you can just use these how you wish. They've got the Velcro on all the sides. Another one slightly smaller, really stuck in. So let's stretch the backpack out. Oh, this is interesting. Oh, and gosh, you've even got an extra little Velcro, but that's quite cool. As you can see, you can sort of create a little loop. Well, let's just take that out for now. Okay, so on the inside, it feels nice, a bit of a sort of felt, slightly fleecy type material. All the sides are nice and sort of soft and protected. So let's just start by putting a few bits in. Main item is the drone, which I guess let's put it in here. And let's put one of the big dividers in. Velcro there. Actually we can nudge that up. And I guess then we could put another little divider. So I'm not too sure what could I put in there. We could put in a spare battery. Actually, it looks like you could easily put two in there. So now we're going to need space for the controller. Let's put another long divider in. Oh, wrong way around. Now that doesn't quite fit that length. Let me just do a little bit of adjustment. And that's there. Another one of these, and that creates us a nice little pocket there. I'll put a divider in here. Let's put our battery yeah, that's pretty cool. Then I've got my GoPro, which, oh, is this gonna fit? Yeah. Okay, that fits in there. It's a little bit snug, but we can always adjust this. Okay, I think I've used up the kind of pockets as I want. And then I guess at the back, down here, things like plug. We've definitely got loads of space. I mean, gosh, I could even just slide them down the back of there. Got the rest of the charger. All the kind of other little spare cables. And you can see it's very, very customizable. Now that's everything out of my current drone backpack, my PG Tech one. But now I've got all sorts of other bits and bobs. What I could actually do, my helipad. It could go in there. I know it sticks out a little bit along this edge here, but that doesn't matter. So let's just close this up. Now we've still got all the sort of extra storage that I was showing originally on the outside. I guess I could chuck my gloves. If you've got a spare phone, you could put that in this side pocket. And even with that, if I really wanted, and actually what I can do here is I can actually put the iPad inside and it's protected. It's got everything in that I would need for a day out on holiday easily, and with a little bit more space to give as well. Now one thing that will be interesting is I want to try out this. They're saying that this bit is somewhere where you can access it easily without having to unzip the whole thing. So if we just open this. So, okay, that doesn't look as neat, but I'm sure someone could do a neater job than this than me. But as you can see now, I guess I could actually get access. Yeah, a little bit tricky. A little bit tricky to get out, but once you've kind of got past the problem of the props, I guess if you didn't have the props attached, that would have been a hell of a lot easier to have got out of there. And there, the side, easy, nice. So I've got that out, and then you've got your drone, you've got your controller, pretty nice and simple. Okay, so there we have it. That was the review of the Estarer backpack for the drone. So if you are interested in this backpack and it's something that you would like to add to your range, or maybe for when you go travelling, I can highly recommend this. I think as you've seen in that video, I didn't really have any negatives to say about this. Then please click on the link in the description to go and purchase this from Amazon. And if you've liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and click that little bell icon to keep up to date with future videos. Thanks everyone again for watching, and hopefully I will see you again soon.